Okay, I'm using Screencast-O-Matic so I can record this, but I'm also using my phone just in case as a backup. You'll know that I have open my Chrome. It's not Safari, so I downloaded Chrome, which is this app right there. You can see my arrow hitting. And I opened it up, and you'll know it's Chrome because I downloaded the Down app album, which is this little icon here, so you'll know you're there when you see that icon. So I'm on the content creators page, or almost, sorry about that, but I was there. Let's go to the albums. Albums. Okay, let's do Content 6.0 because I haven't downloaded that one yet. So I'm going to click on that album. It's going to open up. Now watch, this is where the magic happens. You go up to that icon, the Down album, you click that, and I don't know, you can Google it and like I put the link there for you to read about it, but all I remember is that you just hit normal. Just say okay, load caption to correct photos URL, just hit okay, and all of a sudden you're going to start seeing it. Look at this, 10 out of 76, 20, 35, 40. I was doing one by one in the first album. I'm like, there's got to be an easier way. Now it just did all of them. That's how fast. Okay, so it tells you press this for Mac. So I need to press Control plus the S. So that's the Control plus the S. Control plus S. I just hit it once. Sorry. Maybe it's Command and S. Let me try Command and S. Yep, it's Command and S. Sorry about that. So save as Content 6.0, where to my desktop, and hit save. Now it's saving it to my desktop. Now I'm going to open up my desktop through my Finder. I'm on a Mac, sorry. Okay, let's see. I'm going to open up my desktop, and it was Content. There it is. Do you see it? Content 6.0. So what I do is I have a folder for all of her stuff. So I'm going to open up a second window. Okay. Sorry about that. It's hard to do this in a new Finder window. New Finder window. So I can have two of them side by side. Because where I save it, let me see if it's Documents, I think. Nope. Desktop. Let me see if it's here. Layer. So I have Layer Lightener. Nope. Sorry, guys. Oh, it's got to be downloads. I have so many. Layer Content. So I made an album under Downloads, Layer Content. Now I'm like getting really mad because it's not. Showing. Okay, now I'm like so mad. I'm sorry, guys. So sorry. You saw how it downloaded, so if you know how to do this part, you're in. I'm just trying to see where I put it. Oh, Content Creator Pics. I couldn't remember what I named the file. I haven't downloaded them in a while. So sorry. See them all? Content 4.0, 5.0. It's all of them I've saved. So now I want to pull it from over here. So I'm going to grab, see how there's two? So I grabbed that one and I put it in there. Okay, now it's the 6.0 file. I'm going to bring it over from there over to here. And now it's in. Now it's part of my files. And there it is. I click on it. And there they are. Is that not cool? All of them. So that's how you add it. That's it. It's that easy. Hope that helped. Okay, I was going to also show how to upload it into your, so here's mine, Social Marketing Shift. So I go over to my photos. Here's albums. Okay, 5.0, so I want content 6.0. So create an album. I'm going to go to content. If I can find it. Content creator picks. Now I want 6.0. Choose. Now I have to see which one. I want all of them, right? So I click the first one. Then I go down to the bottom. To hit the last one, I have to hit oops, sorry, let me try that one more time. The top one, and then all the way to the bottom. Option and Shift. If you click on Shift and Option, it'll highlight all of them from the top to the bottom. Hit Choose. And now it starts downloading into your album. That easy. Look how quick, you guys. You'll notice down here when this turns blue, down at the bottom right, then it's done. It's still uploading them. But I mean, so much faster than one-on-one. It took me a while to figure this out, but I'm glad this can help anybody make it so much faster. It's still bringing them up. I think there were 70-something pictures, so it's still bringing them up. Now, see how that post turned blue? So now I can click on that. But what was my description over here? It's content 6.0. Content 6.0 right here. So I'm going to click on post on the bottom right. Sometimes it might kick you out. Before you try downloading it all over again, refresh your app and go back in, because most of the time it actually does it. It's actually done it even though it's kicked you out. It's crazy. Just trial and error. But man, let me tell you, the ones with 300 and 400 pictures in it will do it so fast. Okay. And there it is. Content 6.0. There you go. Now it's part of, I love that one too. It's one of my favorites. Just check it and see if it actually content. Okay. Didn't have the name. So I'm gonna click on it again. Edit. Oh, the edit button up here. Okay, edit. Oh, I know what it is. I'm so sorry. See, it's been a while. You take out the date and you put it where the date is. Content 6.0. And then hit save. So before, where I had put content 6.0, erase the date and put content 6.0 like that. And that's it, guys. And it's in your album. So I hope that helped.